Yes, all the time. That's a very, very common goal, actually. When I'm working individually, the social component is almost always a goal. They want to increase the number of close friendships they have, or they just want to have more friends in general. So the group kind of sometimes satisfies that. There's been lots of groups that I've had where at the end of 10 weeks or 15 weeks, number of the individual clients have become friends and hang out with each other outside of the group, which is a really great thing to see. So the social component can't be understated.
Can you talk about some of the transfer that you see with social skills and the cognitive rehab that you do?
Yeah, so that's I'm glad you asked that question. So when you're using the NEAR model and you're asking or you're teaching, especially during the compensatory part, a lot of the skills you're teaching are vital skills in conversations and listening. So when you can pick two people out of the group or three people out of the group and say, all right, you two group up and you practice listening, you practice picking out key points or paraphrasing or whatever the skill is. You're kind of practicing and doing it right on the spot rather than saying, all right, so this is the skill we're learning and this is what we're talking about. It's just much more rich and robust when you're asking two people to kind of do it in the moment rather than doing homework with their parents or whom else.
So how do people find you? How do clients get referred to you to come start this process?
Yeah, so the most common way for clients and people to find me is usually through, I mentioned earlier, the kind of the transition out of the hospital stay. So oftentimes they're kind of mixed into there with a clinician will find me or go through that process. A number of people do end up kind of searching online and find me through my website, which is rchinstitute.com or restoringcognitivehealth.com, whichever one. And a therapist also. So psychiatrists and therapists will often kind of know about cognitive remediation, know that I'm really one of the few people that do it on an outpatient basis in this area in Southern Connecticut and the New York City metro area.
Very cool. All right. Well, Gregg, thank you so much for your time. Gregg Pauletti of the RCHI Institute. And this has been a fantastic HappyNeuron Pro talk.
Thanks, Dustin.